One of our best sellers in London. Located in London, Leyton, Stratford, London Excel apartment has accommodations with a flat-screen TV. Free Wi-Fi is offered. The units provide views of the garden and come with a seating area, a washing machine, a fully equipped kitchen, and a private bathroom with free toiletries and a hairdryer. An oven is also provided, as well as a coffee machine and an electric teapot. Guests can relax in the garden at the property. Olympic Stadium is 4.7 kilometers from the apartment, while Victoria Park is 4.7 kilometers away. London City Airport is 9.7 kilometers from the property. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.